Hi, you might know me as Kevin Easy, but I'm really Torg, Draconian. We've been infiltrating your people for a long time. And now, to Tormented Sounds, we are bringing you sounds of the underground. And sounds of the underground will bring you to us fresh meat. So why don't we show you a few of our smorgasbords we've had in the past a few times, all courtesy of Cursive Z. No, lizards really don't have a use for music. We just like to lay around on rocks and sun ourselves. Maybe eat some meat, like flies or small animals. But then you get to be a 7-foot shapeshifter like myself. Well, you have to find meat some other ways. Now you might wonder where Curse of Sea's bass player, old Wildebeest, has been lately. Delicious. Yes. Well, here's some more clips for you. Eat up. Enjoy. So the next Sounds of the Underground show will be the 23rd of this month at the Lima Firehouse. Northside Lima Firehouse, a great place to go, especially if you're from under the earth like I am. But we will have a special guest from Los Angeles, California, on tour, the Rockets. Yes, the Rockets, a really psychobilly punk rock affair. You have Ill Anatomy, who we in this next clip from the last Sounds of the Underground show at the Firehouse. Yes, so $5 you pay to become meat for me and my friends. Come out, have a good time. Relax. $25 and come out the 23rd to the Lima Northside Firehouse and see me and my friends.